Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bongele Nkose and I'm back with another home reno video. So today we'll be installing the sliding door buckler. We were supposed to do that last week, so it's just that this year I've made it a point that I do not overwork myself. I only do work on Saturdays, not on Sundays. That's a rule that I've put for myself. So yeah, I'm trying to keep up with that. So now I need to move the couch from the side, bring it this side, so that when my friend comes to help me out with that, it will be I'll be ready essentially. And I think there's someone knocking, so I need to go check. Okay, there was no one, or unless the person has left. So after that, I also still need to stain the door on the side. I haven't done that, and then we still need to replaster this wall. So that's work for another day. And I don't think we're going to get there today. We're just going to install them burglar, then that's that. By maybe next week we are going to do this wall. I'm taking it one step at a time. Last year I tried to do a lot in a shorter period. I do not want to do that this year. I kind of overworked myself last year, so this year I'm just taking it easy. All the drilling is done. Now we need to fill in what we damaged. And we drilled last week on the floor. ngedinga ukuphakamisa umshayeli wemoto wesifazane. All done. I've already put up the curtain, and the thing is the color. This one is bluish. It's not matching really the sliding door. I didn't pay attention to that when I was ordering the Burglar, but anyway, it is what it is. And next time we'll definitely have to fix all that needs to be fixed. I don't know why did I put the curtain before showing you guys everything. All that needs to be fixed, we're going to fix it. Like yo Hashem, it feels like we are plastering and replastering all the time.
I don't care what's going on with your kid. It's over now.
Hi guys, it is another day. So yesterday we actually finished plastering inside and outside. So what I'll be doing today is actually to repaint the walls that we had to fix. So this side I don't think I will paint because it's not properly dry yet, as you guys can see. But that side we had to fix only a few spots, as you guys can see. It's not bad, so it's dry. So that's the part I'm going that's the side I'm going to paint today. Then I think this one I'm just gonna leave it and let it dry for a week. Then next week I'm going to paint it and then we'll be done. Yeah, let me show you properly. As you guys can see, on this side everything is dry, unlike the other side. And then on this side it's definitely not dry, like it's still wet, and outside also still very much wet. So from bottom up until, and I'm happy about how it turned out, even though I think we've made this one to be thicker than this. Oh, yeah, this one is thinner, this one is a bit thicker, but all in all I like, and I hope this one won't crack and fall off like the other one. And then the remaining plaster, we've put it around the stoop. Look at how dirty my stoop is, it needs to be cleaned. Yeah. Okay, I'll be painting the entire wall because in some places I have streaks of dirty water. So the best thing to do is just to paint the entire wall, the side. Done painting. So I'm just going to wait for the paint to dry. Me being lazy to mask. Now I'll have the job to I only mask the burglar, and even here on the side I have a touch of green, but it's not so bad. Yeah, I need to roll this off. Then I need to put the stoppers in those holes to give it a seamless finish. Ooh, this is harder than I had anticipated. I think I need to bring out my hammer this was on October 31st. To put it in place. See that it's supposed to be starting to really there you go. Look how much the generous partner goes from back to far. There's like 3 sticks both together. How they each come. That's all done. Covered all the holes and even that side. So now I need to remove the tape around, and that's that for the day. Good morning. It is Saturday, so today I'll be finishing off the painting part of this. So today I'll be painting this wall and be done with it. Probably if I'm not lazy, I will stay in the door. I don't know. I will see. So guys, let's get to work because I need to be somewhere else around 1, and it's currently 9, so which means this can take me roughly 30 to 1 hour, so if I'm quick enough.
So what is all this? What's going on?
Okay guys, I'm going to end this video here. As you guys can see, the wall is all painted up. Even on the other side, it's all painted and everything is just perfect. So guys, if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up below, leave a comment. See you guys on my next video. Bye.